I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Lazada app or website and signing in. Once signed in, go straight to Orders and choose Purchased. You want the specific order that contains your item because that order shows the tracking number field. If you see a placeholder like Not Shipped, make sure the seller has confirmed shipment first. Once you locate the order, copy the tracking number or take a screenshot so you can paste it into a carrier tracker or share it with customer support. Next, copy the tracking number exactly, letters, numbers, and any dashes matter, then choose where to track. You can use Lazada's internal tracking tab for a quick status, but for detailed location updates, paste the number into the courier's website or a global tracker. Doing that reveals steps like dispatch, in transit, and out for delivery. Once done, compare timestamps between Lazada and the courier to confirm consistency, because mismatched updates indicate which system to trust for the next action. Finally, confirm delivery by checking the status and any proof of delivery. Once marked delivered, inspect the package immediately. If the package is missing or delayed, contact the courier with the tracking number first because they handle last-mile issues. If unresolved, escalate to Lazada support and provide order ID and screenshots. Make sure to document timestamps and messages so your claim proceeds quickly. One key troubleshooting tip: when statuses conflict, prioritize courier scan timestamps and save all evidence before raising a dispute with Lazada.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.